It must be freezing though.
We have this. If it wasn't for the wellies, where would you be?
Let's watch me slip on video. Hello. How are you doing?
Cheese and tomato.
We're sat on the wheel. We panicked a little bit. Go hi. Hello. Oh. You're surprised at me recording you then, weren't you?
Yeah.
So we're in Pittenweem. This is our first day here.
Pittenweem.
Pittenweem. We're going for a coastal walk. A walk to Elie.
I think it's Elie or Elie. I'm not
Elie,
exactly sure how you pronounce it.
It's about 6 miles away, and then we're going to get a bus back to Anstruther. This is the plan.
Subject to change.
Yeah, it might change if we've had enough walking, and then walk back from there to here, which is about 2 more miles. So in total, about 8 mile walk. That's where we were last night. Oh. This is the Pittenweem outdoor pool. Last night there were people swimming in that and they looked absolutely frozen. I'm assuming the tide comes in, covers it, and then each day you've got a nice swimming pool with lots of fish in it.
I imagine on a hot day it's quite
So with all the expensive holidays abroad, with the heat waves you've got in this country, it needs to go away, right? Sweet dog. It's only got 20 degrees today, 21. Really?
Yeah.
It's a bit nicer than being 31 down the south where we come from.
Yeah.
Seawater pool. I won't record it, people in there. It must be freezing though. We've reached our first little village. We're gonna get coffee. Just been to the Giddy Gannet to get ourselves a couple of flat whites, and we'll show you the eating of the bun in a minute. Inspiration for people. If you've got some old wellies, you can make yourself a little garden out of it.
Can you see us? Now this is a Scenic.
We're sharing one. We're not having one each.
No.
I'm going thirsty and look at that. That's well cooked. That's well cooked.
Very good.
Mm.
I realise this might not be the most traditionally Scottish thing, but it's very nice. Like really nice.
Although sharing food with me is not the best idea.
No, you have to be careful because you just won't get very much.
I'm going to finish this, then carry on with the walk.
Chris wants me to sing this. I know the chorus bit from Billy Connolly singing it. If it wasn't for your wellies, where would you be? You'd be in a hospital or infirmary, but you would have both of the flu or even worse if you didn't have your tender wellies.
You okay? Enough recording in case you slip. This is the low tide route, as you can tell. Tents up there. Supposedly they're safari tents, but I can't see any giraffes or elephants or tigers or lions.
Lions and tigers and bears.
We've got a slight diversion here. Very slight. just through here. There's a couple of ways past. Let's see if we can go this way. This is interesting, isn't it? Rock formation here. That's well there. I think it is, you know. Okay. Actually, go this way. There's a lot of bracken there. Let's watch me slip on video. There we go. Coos.
I'd rather be on the side of the fence that doesn't have the coos. No offence to coos.
We've been chased by cows before, as you can tell. I think we have explained that in one of our previous videos. But you probably haven't watched all of them.
We had a bad experience.
I had a bad experience.
If I had the camera that day, I would have filmed it.
Running.
Running and climbing over fences. Bloody gorgeous though. Stone. Hey, other side.
This will be skimming. This will be throwing.
Oh my god. I think this is something called Ladies Tower, and then around the corner from there there's a lighthouse, and then Ruby Bay, and then there's a town. Hey doggy. Hello. Hello. How are you doing? Hello. Very friendly. Elie. I'm going to try and get some lunch at this deli. Everyone likes food. We're just going to order a cheese roll, aren't we? Yeah. It's not nice and simple. Just going to have some lunch. Oh. We've got a cheese roll each, and I've got a scone, which... Just drop the rolls on the floor. There you go.
Oh, there you go.
It's a good roll. That was Elie Deli.
Elie Deli.
That tire is coming in very quickly.
They have cheese and tomato. You can hear me over there, it's quite far away. Cheese and tomato.
It's a very cute pink cottage, isn't it?
Yeah.
Pink cottage.
Pink cottage.
On the bus.
On the bus.
We're sat on the wheel.
It's coffee.
We got off of the bus a little bit early, so we've got a few more steps to do. The bus looked like it was going out of town. We panicked a little bit and we ended up being dropped off at the sports centre. less tripped, calmer,
Calmer for what?
taking you on a long walk. You're gonna go high. There's Pittenweem. Is that all shells? Wow. Yeah.
Wow.
We're just pegging it now because there's two people behind us. They're playing golf on this hole, and that'll be good. No offence. Well, their shots weren't very good. Maybe they're nervous playing in front of people. What a lovely hole to play golf on. It's gorgeous. Nearly back up to the house.